Hello everyone! In an earlier video, we showed you how you can make your own phonics toolkit full of fun items you can use with this program to make the most out of the hands-on multi-sensory aspect of the Orton Gillingham method of reading and spelling. In this video, we will introduce you to our pre-packaged kit for those of you who would rather purchase a kit that is already made and ready to ship to you so that you can start at home right away. This kit is called the Phonemic Fun Box and has everything you need to get started. It's $40 plus shipping, and the link to purchase will be in the description of this video. Let's take a look at what's inside. Every kit has a description of what's inside and how it can be used. The kits come with this clear plastic sleeve that you can put your worksheets in and use a dry erase marker so that you can reuse your worksheets over and over again. It will also come with many worksheets to get started for the beginning of the program, learning your alphabet and your sounds. Lots of worksheets with colorful pictures to help the child learn their letter sounds. Even to the diagraphs. So you'll go all through the letters and the diagraphs, and then you'll also get this cute little cutout. So you'll cut out the monster face and cut out the opening for a mirror, and then inside you'll have a hand mirror so that the child can practice looking at their mouth shape as they're making sounds. So once you cut out your monster, and then you attach the back with tape, then you can just slide the mirror, and then you've got a fun little toy for the child to see what their mouth looks like when they're making the sounds of the letters. You also have the rules. We've got phonics rules for all. These aren't all your phonics rules. They're your beginning phonics rules. This is a beginning kit. So you have these, you can cut them out and make bookmarks for a quick reference guide as you're moving through the program. You will also get a word mapping sheet, the Alcoan boxes, and you will also get this sheet where you can cut out the letters and the diagraphs and build words as you're going through the program. It also comes with this dry erase hand board. So these are Alcoan boxes, and then you have little magnetic coins that as you're making the sounds, you put them in the box. So you can say cat, for example. So you've got two consonants and a vowel. K, at, k, at. Then you can move it back up, k, at, and then write C-A-T, at, and then write it again on the lines below. And they're magnetic so they don't fall off. Good for traveling. And then you have a little phone So the child will put it up to their ear and then talk through the bottom so they can hear the sounds they're making when they're saying letters and words very clearly. It's also fun for them to play with, so it makes it more interesting. You've also got a little noise maker toy. So when they're popping out sounds, they can go k, a, t. You've also got a little magnifying glass. So when they're reading, it'll magnify the spot that they're looking at to make it more obvious what letter they're on so they don't lose track. I've also got a bracelet. You can either get the heart bracelet or just the round bracelet. They're a little pop. You can pop them. So you can wear the bracelet on your right hand to help you know which is your left and which is your right. And then you can also use it to pop out sounds of letters when you're doing your work. So it has two uses: to know your right and your left, and to work on those letter sounds. This also comes with wooden letter tiles. There are videos that work with letter tiles, so they'll have their own letter tile set to do those videos. Also comes with 2 colors of Play-Doh so that they can build letters with the Play-Doh. And one color can be a consonant, one color can be a vowel, and they can build letters and words with the Play-Doh. It also comes with a bag of sand for sand writing, and a plastic box to put the sand in. So you can just pour the sand in this box, and since it's got lips, it won't dump out easily. You can close it up for travel, and you can just write in the sand in the box. It also comes with this pointer so you can keep track while you're reading. It also comes with a invisible ink pen, so you could write say C-A-T for cat, but write the A with invisible ink, write the C and the T with a regular ink pen, and then write the vowel with the invisible ink, so that when you turn the light on, you reveal the vowel. So you can write it with the invisible ink and then use the light to reveal the vowel in the center of the CVC word. And that can be a fun way to learn CVC words. And then you've got another tracking device. This has a colored strip in the center that you can see through, so that when you're reading, you can just slide this along the sentences to keep track. And colored sheets, a lot of dyslexic students say that colored, see-through colored plastic sheets help them to not have so much eye stress on them. Some people say when they look at words that the words tend to move on the paper, or they shake on the paper. So this just helps with the eye strain. They also come with these little finger pointers, little laser pointer. So you stick it on your finger, and then you can keep track in the book by turning the little light on and running and just reading along to keep track with the light. You also have these little balls. You can see them in there. They've got 2 different colors, one for vowels, one for consonants. There are several of them. So you can use them to manipulate sounds. So you would put say you're spelling cat, for example, you'd put one color for the C, one color for the A, and then another of the same color for the other consonant for the T. So you would have, there we go, C-A-T, cat, cat. And then you've also got a little pair of googly eyes. It's for little fingers, for little children. This is gonna fit on my pinky because I'm an adult. But when you tap out sounds, at, this can make it more fun to have something on your finger while you're tapping out sounds of words. And then there are also little see-through tokens in 2 different colors for when you're mapping out words and on your word mapping sheet, which is right here. So you have everything you need to get started in a pre-made kit that you don't have to go out and make for yourself. And if you would like to purchase this, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.